Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here with Elegant Embellishments November release. I'm so excited to share this with you. Dee has added some great new items in her store for you, and I want to share them with you. I will put the link down to her exhibit store in the description box below, and I have to tell you a secret. If you use my coupon code, you're going to get 30% off. Look at that. Wow. So the coupon code is GINA30, all capital letters. And you're going to want to make sure to have this with you when you go to shop at her store so you can take advantage of such a great savings. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So anyway, let me jump into what I have to share with you. Dee has molds in her shop, which are silicone molds for molding things like resin, plaster of Paris, clay, etc. Also for food, these are food grade and you can use them with food. However, once you use it for food, after if you change your mind and say, oh, I want to use it with clay or resin or anything that's chemically based, you can no longer use it with food. So if you're going to use it with food, strictly save it for food, make all the food you want, and then use it for crafting with the clay and other things, because you can't go back once you go ahead. So this is one of the first things that Dee has in her shop. It's this beautiful frame, and I'm sorry for this camera. My other one was just, I don't want to even go there. Anyway, this is the frame. It's beautiful. It's got some very nice detailing up in here, and you could use this. It's very deep, so you could use this for shakers and other things that you come up with. I'm sure you guys are so crafty, you'll figure out stuff. But again, if you use it with food, you could use like chocolate melts in there and stuff like that. So super cute for that. So that's one that she has. Another frame that she has is this beautiful heart, and again, that detailing in there is so pretty. I hope it shows well on camera, but that's the heart one. This is another beautiful frame that she has in her shop, and it's got a lot of detail. You can use it in any direction that you see fit. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Then she has this one, which happens to be a frame with a cameo, so you can see the beautiful cameo there. Let me see if I could get that glare off her face. There she is. There's a beautiful cameo, and then this cameo fits inside of this frame. So if you wanted to do the frame in one color and the cameo in another, you could do that with this. It would be beautiful. So that's another one she has. And then she has this amazing deer. He is so cute. Look at the detail on him. He's got such beautiful little antlers and things. Now, if you use resin or anything like that for his antlers, you need a popsicle stick to smooth that out, to make sure that the resin gets down in there, and that you also want to be sure with any of your molds, whether it's whatever you're using, is to not wipe away whatever's on the edges before it sets. That way, once you pop it out of the mold, you won't have to file it or clip it or whatever. So the cleaner you keep the flat surface of your mold, the better for you once you pop out your item. Now, if you purchase 2 or more of these, Dee has a present for you while supplies last. So what does that mean? It means like if you want to get some, get them quick so you can grab this freebie, because I don't know how many she got, but if you want one, you gotta go quick. So this one is a unicorn mold, and you have your unicorn head here. Really cute. I hope that comes in clear. Oh my gosh, this camera. You have a rainbow, and then on this side you have the unicorn ears and the horn, and then you'd simply draw your eyelashes down here and then add some flowers around the horn. So cute. Now you could apply these on your cards, your scrapbook layouts, your junk journals, anything that you can think of, you can use these for. Now remember, 2 or more of these purchased gets you this for free while supplies last. So be sure to check that deal out. Now let me move on to the kits that she has available this month. They are beautiful. And the first kit I have for you, and I'm bringing it slowly so things don't slide everywhere, this will be the winter kit. And it is so pretty. This is the winter kit. And you're going to get 20 beads. You have these turquoise aqua colored, these are either 6 or 8 millimeter, and then you have these beautiful teardropped crystal beads. They're glass, and I will pull them out. I don't want to roll them on the thing because they'll fly all over. You know how that goes. But the sparkle on these are so beautiful, and they're lovely. So you get a total of 10 and 10 of each of those items. Then you're going to receive these beautiful flowers. Look at that. These beautiful poinsettia looking flowers. They have a rhinestone in the middle, and on the back they have these loops, so you're able to put a jump ring on that to use it in a dangle or a necklace or whatever it is you want to use it on. You can make a pair of earrings out of those. They're so pretty. The quarter is here for reference only. Then you have these beautiful gold-plated charms. So I'm not going to pick them up because then you can't see them so good. You get this gingerbread man, the reindeer, which is super, super cute, these bells, the snowman, and the snowflake. And I will bring that up just a hair closer so you could have a better look at them. Look at how beautiful those are. Along with the beads, you could make a beautiful dangle. This is like a starter kit. Since there aren't a whole lot of beads, you can make just a smaller dangle, but believe me, there's plenty there. Mixed with stuff you have in your stash, you could come up with something really fabulous with this kit. All of these kits come with a muslin bag while supplies last. That's another item that you have to rush to get if you want one of these. These are really nice for embellishing, and then you can use them for regifting. Christmas is coming, so you know you could put small gifts in those, decorate these up really cute, and great idea for those. So you get one of these with a kit while supplies last. Again, this is the winter kit, and it's beautiful. It's your blues and your white, and then those beautiful charms with those beautiful poinsettias there. That's the first kit. The next kit is called the Christmas kit. And this one, let me bring this down for you, is right here. This one you get 30 beads. These are 6 or 8 millimeter. They're very beautiful glass beads, and there's plenty in there to make beautiful dangles with. You're going to get 3 poinsettias in red with this rhinestone in the center. It's right there. And this again has the holes on the back so that you could loop a jump ring through those holes to make a dangle or whatever it is you want to do with them. Quarter is there for reference of size. There's a Christmas tree, a star, candy cane, Santa with his sack, which is adorable, and then a stocking with some goodies popping out the top. And I will bring these up closer for you so you can see these as well. Aren't they darling? Really cute set. Very cute. The last set that Dee has available is called Girls Night Out. Now this is what this set consists of. It consists of 40 beads. The pink fuchsia are 8 millimeter and the black are 6 millimeter. You get 20 of each, and they are beautiful. They're glass beads, so they're very lovely. Then you're going to get all these charms that you're looking at, not the quarter, it's just for size reference. You're going to get these charms that you see here. Now let me tell you about them. This is the corset right here. It's a corset, and it is a 3D corset, so it's got some dimension to it, as you can see there. It's a dimensional corset. It's not just flat. And you can hang this on a charm. Super, super cute. So you're going to get 2 of those. You're going to get 2 of these, which this one is the ladies' jacket. Very cute. You're going to get these, which I almost hate picking them up because they're so small you can't. If I pick them up, my finger covers it. But this is a vanity table, so it has the stool, the vanity, the mirror, and then little items on top of the vanity there. I hope you can see those well. I'm sorry again for this camera. My other one is just not cooperating today. You're going to get 6 small perfume bottles, which are here, and these are very cute as well, right there. 6 small perfume bottles. And then you're going to get these beautiful big perfume bottles, which I love. These are large, and they're very pretty perfume bottles. Dee said this collection of charms were very old. She didn't even know if she'd be able to get them again if these run out, because they're really old. So beautiful. And then the last one you get 2 of is this one here, and this is a small like a handbag with a floppy hat off to the side here. So that's what that is. So you get all of those in this Girls Night Out kit. Really, really cute. Let me pull that up close for you. And remember, you get a muslin bag while supplies last with any kit of this 3 that I've shown you. So That's the items again. So do you remember my code from the beginning of my video? It's Gina 30, and you want to make sure to use that when you rush on over to Dee's to grab your kits or your molds. And she has other things too. Oh, and one other thing she has. And she has different ones in different sizes. These beautiful, sparkly, oh my God, these are stunning. They're sparkly and stunning. That's all I can tell you. They're flower shapes. She has them in different sizes, and you'll find those over there at the store as well. So you want to make sure to check those out. And don't forget, please, please, please use my code so you can get that great discount. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.